In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the actual best offer price on sold items on eBay. If you've ever wondered how to uncover the price an item really sold for when a best offer was accepted, you're in the right place. This technique is perfect for anyone looking to get an edge in the eBay marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this method can give you valuable insights into real sales data. To begin, open your web browser and head over to 130point.com/sales. This website is an excellent resource for anyone buying or selling on eBay, as it allows you to access detailed sales data that isn't always visible directly on eBay. Once the page loads, you'll see several options for refining your search. First, make sure you're in the correct section by clicking on the Search eBay Sales tab from the menu. This brings you to the area specifically designed to dig deeper into eBay sales data. Next, scroll down to locate a series of text boxes. These are where you'll enter the item name or relevant keywords. Be thoughtful about your choice. Your keywords should be specific enough to give meaningful results, yet broad enough to capture all potential matches. Consider what buyers might search for when looking for this type of item. Once your keywords are entered, it's time to refine your search further. Adjust the filters to focus on sold items only. This ensures that your results reflect listings that successfully ended with a sale, rather than just active or expired listings. Selecting all categories can widen your search and capture all relevant sales. You can also choose how results are sorted by most recent sales or highest price, depending on your goals. After setting your filters, click Submit. Within moments, the results will populate on your screen. Scroll through them carefully. The key here is that you're looking at actual final sales prices, not asking prices or initial bids. Each listing will show the best offer that was accepted, giving you clear insights into the true market value of similar items. By using this method, you can price your own items more accurately and make informed buying or selling decisions. Understanding actual best offer prices helps you stay competitive and ensures your listings attract serious buyers. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to uncover real best offer prices on eBay. Use this information wisely, adapt your strategies accordingly, and watch your success grow. Thanks for watching and happy selling.